everyone, this is Lucy, and today I'm going to show you some fixes to Wi-Fi connected but no internet on a Samsung phone. So first, you will need to go to your Wi-Fi settings. Under connections, you will see your Wi-Fi. Go tap on that and you will see the Wi-Fi that you're connected. Click on the gear icon beside it. And first, you will need to forget this network and connect to it again. So after it has been connected, check if the problem has been resolved. If it hasn't, then go to the settings once again, and this time go to view more and tap on IP settings. Here select static, and under DNS1 type 8.8.8.8. Again in DNS2 type 8.8.4.4 and save the settings and check whether the problem has been fixed. So if it hasn't, then go to MAC address type and select the phone MAC. So if it doesn't resolve the problem again, then select randomized MAC. If all these fixes doesn't work, then you can reset your network settings. You can do this by going to the settings again. Here search for general management. From that, you will see the reset button at the end of this page, and you will need to search for the reset network settings right here, and you will need to click on reset settings, and it will ask your phone password, and after that you need to click on reset. Then you will need to connect to the Wi-Fi again and your problem should be fixed. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos, and I'll meet you guys in the next video.